Good morning, it's me, Dr. Mel from justmillet.com, and yesterday we ground some cream of rice, which is rice ground on the setting where the stones are just tapping. And what that gives you is not rice flour, but a very fine rice meal. So to make cream of rice, we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. That's about a 1/4 cup of cream of rice. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of butter. And you can add milk or water or juice, coconut milk, almond milk, oat milk, whatever you use, okay? We're gonna put a dash of cinnamon in that. If you want to put vanilla extract, vanilla maple syrup, date syrup, or whatever you can, but I would cook it first. I am going to add a little bit of vanilla extract. So we're just going to give this a real quick stir. Just like that. And then we're gonna pop it in the microwave. You can cook it on the stove top. You can follow the directions just like what are on the box of the refined stuff. But this isn't refined. This is made from whole grain brown jasmine rice. So I just popped it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. When it comes out, we're gonna take a look at it. And while our microwave is cooking the cream of rice, we are going to slice up some fresh peaches. You could put whatever kind of fruit you like on top or mixed in to your cereal. A cream of any grain cereal, not just rice. Cream of wheat, cream of barley, cream of spelt, cream of rye if you wanted a deeper flavor. It's a palette. You can paint it whatever way you want. Today we're doing peaches. 1 minute and 30 is up. We can see the butter melted and it's starting to get a little bit thicker, which is great. We're just going to give that another stir. If you want, add a pinch of sea salt to offset whatever sweet you're going to put in there. We're going to put this back into the microwave for another minute. I'm going to continue cutting up my peaches. And I'm aiming for half the bowl of my starchy cereal base and the other half fruit for a balanced meal. When the microwave's done,